This is the app called Polygons. I'm going to click on Program to go to the main program that's for the Polygons app. Here is where the Polygons app starts, at label IA. First, we see it setting the control registers, color, and canvas for a rectangle fill. By the way, it says it's 410 tall, 1010 wide. That's the entire canvas 1. So the entire background canvas is going to be set to the color 970. If we click on rectangle fill, we'll see down here at the bottom of the screen it needs T for tall, W for wide, X and Y for the upper left hand corner, and that it will use the active color on the active screen. Here the active color 970. The canvas that's active is canvas 1. After this, it goes down and says it's going to show note 73 in the blue note box. Well, let's click on this at the bottom of the screen. It says that note 73 will be on page G at offset 1536. Then we continue on. The next one changes the canvas to canvas 2, which is the normal canvas that is used. It then sets the control registers again for another rectangle fill that we see down here. It's going to fill it with a black. That is the black rectangle where it's then later on going to put the word return. Right after the rectangle is made, it says box this rectangle, give it the click number of 5. So that if this rectangle is clicked on, click 5 will become active. Well, the very next instruction, click on equal, or in this case not equal, that's what a click does. If it's not equal to a 5, it's going to go to IK and skip these instructions. If, however, the active click number is 5, it's going to set the app pick to 0, meaning no application is going to be running. And then it does a clack instruction that takes away all clickable areas, and then it exits. Well, if it continues on, it goes down here. Now I'm going to up the screen a little bit so I get the rest of this part on the screen. And the next thing it does is it sets another address of X and Y, a color of 900, the bright red, sets the font to 4 for bold, 22 points. Well, that's going to be this return that it puts in the black box. It says then text 20 characters starting at page B, offset 1747. But the truth is, as soon as it hits one of these vertical bars, it's going to stop the text. So it's just going to say the word return. These vertical bars are nice because they allow you to not have to count how many characters are. Just make sure that the value put over here is equal to or greater than the number that you want to show. Well, after it shows the word return in the black box, it's going to run all of these routines. First, it's going to be in subprogram 6 and run tab number 6, 7, 8, and all the way down to tab number 18. Then it's going to switch to subprogram 7, run tab 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then it's going to exit. So all these routines are going to be run. If you remember, the screen showed a lot of polygons on it. Each one of these makes one of those polygons. Well, this is the part of the main program for the Polygons app.